In this segment, we'll walk you through the camera's dashboard and familiarize you with the Safe by Swann app. Tap the drawer icon to access the menu and edit your account profile, manage camera settings, pair a new camera, review the camera activity timeline, and more. If you have multiple cameras installed, select the pencil icon to rearrange the layout of camera tiles. Tap on a camera tile to start streaming live video from the camera's live view screen. The shield icon is displayed when the motion sensor is armed. Tap the timer icon to view the day's current recorded events. Select the left arrow to end the live stream and return to the dashboard. Select the gear icon to adjust various settings such as name, motion sensitivity, and image quality. Gray indicates the video is loading. Blue indicates a live stream. To zoom on a video, use 2 fingers and pinch to zoom out and spread them to zoom in. From the dashboard, select the timer to navigate to the activity screen. You'll see the camera's name and date. Select the left or right arrow to navigate to the previous or following day's recorded events. Then, select an event to view. Delete the video by tapping on the trash icon. Rotate the phone sideways to view in landscape mode. Rewind to the beginning by pushing the back arrow. Rewind 5 seconds by tapping the counterclockwise circular arrow. Play or pause by tapping the play-pause button. Fast forward 5 seconds by tapping the clockwise circular arrow. Download the video to your mobile device by tapping the down arrow. You can locate your downloads by navigating to your Pictures folder. Open the menu from the dashboard by selecting the drawer icon. Edit your profile picture and name, or change your password by tapping the icon. Tap Camera Settings to see a list of cameras associated with your account and manage settings. Select Pair Camera to add a new camera to your account. Tap Activity to display recorded motion events. Select About to see app version information and view terms of service. Select Support to open the Swann Support Center webpage. Then tap Sign Out to sign out of the Safe by Swann application. For more information, download the latest Safe by Swann app guide from support.swann.com.